All right, now remember, even though this is just oven cleaner, easy off, that it's still caustic. So you want to wear gloves and safety glasses when you're doing it. Already scraped off a little bit here, and you see it's just taking it right off. That's after half an hour. I had hit this previously with lacquer thinner to try and soften it up, and wasn't really getting anywhere. Lacquer thinner, sprayed some carb cleaner on there, which usually bubbles paint pretty good. But cheap paint remover, easy off oven cleaner. Like I said though in the previous video, when you're done with this and you got all the paint off, you need to wash this really good because it will start to eat the aluminum because it's lye. So I think I forget what they call it. It's basically caustic soda lye. So to counteract this, I'm going to wash it. Once I get all the paint off of it, I'm just seeing how much it's coming off now. And if I have to do, I'll clean it. But it looks like every bit of it's coming off. Really easy. It bubbled right up pretty quick for being on there for 40 years. We'll clean it, and I'll finish this probably tomorrow and start painting it. So let me get back to that. Wash it with water to dilute the lye, and then wash it again with clean water, and then wash it with hot soapy water, and then I'll dip it in water with vinegar solution. So remember from elementary school, I think 5th or 6th grade science class, that you got bases and you got acids. Lye is a base. So to counteract the base, you'd want to add acid to it. Not full strength, just real light solution, kind of like we do with battery acid. You got a battery that's leaking, you just mix up some baking soda with water and douse it all over the acid. That neutralizes the acid pretty much. So same kind of thing on just backwards. This is a base. We're using acid. Just a real light, couple of capfuls of vinegar and some water, and we should be good to go there. I hadn't bought any paint stripper in a while, and when I looked up the price of it, I was like, whoa. And it's not even the good paint striper anymore, which is, this is less caustic than that. That stuff was horrible. The old stuff that would, as soon as it hit something like this, it would take the paint off, powder coat, whatever, which is good. So I think what I might have to do, I'm going to try it on that gas tank, see if it'll take that liner out, that BMW gas tank liner that was in there, the stock one. But we'll see. So yes, it does take the paint off. And I guess that's about it. I'll finish cleaning this thing up and do the same thing with it. I'm going to highlight the BMW in red, maybe this whole section. I don't know. We'll see. I'll probably paint the whole section, tape everything off, and then paint this right here, the whole thing in red. Maybe I'll just tape off the letters and do those in red. And then cover the letters up once I've cured the highlight paint, and then put black behind it. We'll see how it goes. I think that'd probably look better than all red as far as the stripe goes. So we'll highlight the BMW in red, carve out the letters and cover them up, and then paint the rest of it all in satin black. But that's it. Yeah, it does work. Let's go brush this thing off and dunk it in some water and some acid. Remember, rubber gloves, and use good rubber gloves. Don't not little surgical gloves. And that's what we ended up with here. Just remember, you have to neutralize the soda. So it removed pretty much everything. Hey, 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 get down from there. You're going to get burned. Still got a couple areas here. Got to scrub in, get the paint out of. But overall, did a decent job. Didn't dull the aluminum too much. Had a couple of places on here that were etched where the paint had come off and got salt on them or whatever, but this is getting painted, so don't really care about those. We'll buff that out a little bit before we shoot paint on it, and that should be good. Just remember to neutralize it. If you're using like Easy Off or whatever kind of cleaner, if you're using acid cleaner, you probably want to hit it with baking soda and water. I just used cleaned it with water, scrubbed it down with water, and then scrubbed it with hot soapy water to get any of the residue off of it, and then rinsed it real good with the hose, and stuck it back in a bucket full of about 2 gallons of water with about a cup, not even a cup of vinegar in there, just enough vinegar to make it counteract the lye. But overall, turned out pretty good for basically not probably 45 minutes worth of work, 30 minutes sitting with Easy Off on it, and then washing it off. That's it.